Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
Use 4 heads of Belgian Endive, about 500 grams total. Choose tight, pale heads and avoid brown spots for crisp texture. Trim 3/4 inch off the stems and remove damaged outer leaves, then halve lengthwise if desired. Rinse leaves under cold water and spin dry for 30 seconds to remove grit, or pat gently with a towel. If using radicchio or escarole, take 100 to 150 grams per person as a substitute and adjust bitterness by blanching briefly in salted water. Whisk 3 tablespoon extra virgin olive oil with 1 tablespoon white wine vinegar and 1 tsp Dijon mustard for a classic vinaigrette. Add 1/4 tsp salt and 1/8 tsp black pepper, tasting as you go to balance acidity and seasoning. For a creamier dressing, fold in 1 tablespoon Greek yogurt or 1 tablespoon mayonnaise. Toss leaves with dressing immediately to coat evenly and prevent sogginess. Then add 50 grams shaved Parmesan or 30 grams toasted walnuts for texture. Serve within 15 minutes for best crunch. Top salad with 50 grams toasted walnuts or 30 grams slivered almonds for crunch and 60 grams crumbled blue cheese for tang if desired. For fruit accents, add 100 grams pear or apple slices tossed in lemon juice to prevent browning. Serve the salad immediately or chill for up to 1 hour before plating to maintain texture. Long chilling makes leaves limp. Store leftovers airtight in the refrigerator up to 24 hours and never keep dressed salad more than 2 hours at room temperature. Redress lightly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.